So yeah, I've had this box for a while. Excuse me, can you stop walking through here? So you might be wondering why I decorate my Christmas tree with a sheet. My cat likes to eat the pine needles from the Christmas tree, and then I wake up to pine needle vomit every morning. So, excuse me. Oh, hi. You are very pretty. Okay, you like it yourself. There you go. Okay, in order to prevent her from eating the Christmas tree while I sleep, I put a sheet on it. So anyways, this video is super overdue, and to be completely honest, I've had this box for a while. I'm not really sure you guys would be interested in this video, but since it is kind of like a holiday video, I wanted to film this, and maybe you guys want to look out for this next year because I believe they do this every year. And essentially what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unboxing and opening up the Yes Style A Christmas Fairy Tale, their advent calendar. So this actually came out in October. They sent me this and we actually hosted a giveaway, but unfortunately at the time I was doing a bit of travel, so I wasn't able to film a video. And yeah, it's been sitting in my office since. And I haven't gone through this yet, so I wanted to open it up and deal with this instead of just like leaving this sit in my office. Honestly, I didn't know they did this until they sent me this. I was pretty impressed by just the presentation in general of this. Like, this is a pretty substantial, sturdy box. You could totally use this for storage purposes if you really wanted to. But yeah, like without much further ado, let's just go ahead and open this. This is gonna be super informal because I know that other people have filmed them opening this, but if you wanted to see my initial impressions, I guess that's why I'm filming this, and I want to open this. So anyways, okay, let's pull out the first drawer. Ooh. Okay, so box number 1. So we have the April Skin Original Natural Cleansing Soap. I'm not a big fan of this. I think this is a little too drying for my skin. April Skin and me have like a love-hate relationship. Actually, to be honest, I don't even know if I love any of their products. Yeah, so there's that. Number 2. Oh, by the way, I know I get asked this question quite a bit. A lot of you guys ask me what I do with the products that I don't use, or maybe I've tried products that I don't like. Usually what I do is I donate them to a women's shelter, especially something like this. If I know I'm not gonna use it, it's unopened, they will accept it. So I typically do that because I know it's going to a good cause. That is also why you'll notice I won't open up certain products. If I kind of already know that I'm not really interested in using them myself, or I already have it, I don't like opening it and touching it, because if it's gonna go to someone else, especially like for the women's shelter, then I think that they should get a brand new untouched product, obviously. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, do a giveaway, but to be completely honest, like, you'd be surprised. Some people get like pissed about giveaways if they don't win. So just to avoid that and still donate them to a good cause, they go to the women's shelter. The next one is this guy here. This is the My Beauty Tool, the little cat headband. I have tons of these, so I'll probably give this to a friend or something. Number 3, this is the Apu Heart on Cheek. So what is this? This must be like a cream blusher? Kind of matches my sweater, which is also from Yes Style. Number 4. Ooh, I like this. This is the Laneige Two-Tone Tint Lip Bar. The shade that I got is in number 6 Tomato Sherbet, so I don't know if everyone got the same shade or if this is unique to me or just like unique to my box. I don't know. I'll have to double check and see if I have this shade already, because I do have quite a few of these. Yeah. Number 5, the Beige Chew Fan Cheek. I don't know what this is. Is this a cream blusher or cushion blusher? It's super cute. Looks like this. Can you guys see that? Oh, it looks cute. It's like a little powder blush. To be honest, that is not gonna show up on my skin. That is like my skin tone, so that's gonna have to go to someone else. Okay, day 6. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is the Too Cool for School, the art class by Wrote Down. This is their bronzer, the little triple shaded one. I need to actually see, I have one, but it might be really old, so maybe I'll replace it with this guy here. All right, so that was drawer number 1. Drawer number 2. Day 7. This one feels light. Oh, okay. I will actually keep these. This is the Dear Fit Master Patch. These are from COSRX. These are the acne patches. I always use these. So my boyfriend uses them, my family uses them, so we love these. Okay, day 8. This is the Perry's Ink Dawlish Beige Rose. I think I already have this one, so I'll be giving this one away, but I'll have to double check. But I'm pretty sure I have this shade. But I really like these. These are good. Time out, my battery is gonna die, so let me change that out really quick. I might have opened like 8 boxes and I forgot to hit record. I don't know what I left off on. Uh-oh, and then I didn't put them back in their boxes. I guess I'll just show you. I don't remember what days. I will look online and figure out what days went for each. This is from Innisfree. This is the No Sebum Blur Powder, and I already have one of these, but like I said, if it's an old powder, I might need to reevaluate and go through my collection and replace some items I like, or just donate them, or give them to friends and family, or do something with them. I think actually that's an intention I have with a video, maybe starting next year. I ordered a bunch of like organization type of things, and I redone the office, which was done like a couple months ago. So I haven't quite figured out how I want it to look. It's still a mess. If not, it's actually messier than it was before. So I wanna organize everything and go through and really pick out what I want to keep and then give away the rest. The thing about beauty products that we're all aware of, but I think we tend to forget or neglect, is that they do go bad, and I don't want to just like waste a ton of products. Even though it is my job, so I realize I'll have more stuff than most average people, I need to go through and seriously like clean, do a hard clean. So if you guys want me to do a video on that, because I was thinking of doing that, I'm really into like cleaning and organization videos, I will do that if you guys want me to. I also got this from Holika. This is the Milky Shadow Palette in #1 Strawberry Caramel. I did a full collection review of this Milky collection, and I will link that down below if you guys want to see it. But obviously I've tried this, and yeah, so I won't be opening that because that will definitely go to someone else as well. Then we had the COSRX Scintilla Blemish Cream. This is from COSRX, did I say that? And I'm going to give this to my boyfriend who has acne-prone skin. Scintilla Asiatica is really good for people who have acne-prone skin, calming down the skin, and for sensitive skin as well. So I'm going to be giving this to him and seeing if he likes this. This is from 3CE. This is the Mood Recipe 2 Matte Lip Color in #221 Mellow Flower. And I've done quite a few of the 3CE lippy reviews where I've talked about their matte lipsticks, or I've talked about their liquid velvet lip colors. But I'm pretty sure I have this. If I don't, this looks like a shade I would have, so I will end up keeping this, but I'll have to double check, see if I have that shade, because this looks really pretty. And then I got this guy here. This is from Coringo Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from them, so I will be keeping this one. This one's the Pink Square Dual Highlighter, and I opened this up earlier, but it does look very pretty. I noticed that when I swatch it like this, it doesn't look very pigmented, but sometimes products can be misleading like that. You don't necessarily just want to go by swatches alone. Some things look more pigmented in swatches and they're not, and vice versa. So we'll give this one a go. And then I opened this. This is from Apu. This is the My Handy Roll-On Perfume. This one's in the scent Bright Peach. It smells lovely. I tried it on when I didn't have my camera rolling, and I have one of these in green tea. They're nice just to throw in your purse or wherever, and I think this one's actually gonna go in my gym bag because you are stanky after a nice gym class. I think I showed you guys everything I might have missed. I'm so sorry about that. I just forgot to hit record. Okay, so this is the rest of the third drawer. This is day 15, and I'm also gonna be recycling all of these little bits. Oh, this is the La Beauté, the Chateau La Beauté. I never know if I pronounce that right. This is the Wine Angle Mascara, the Lash Fixer. I think this is a different version than I had. Mine was like a purple packaging, but maybe I'm crazy. I'm gonna open this up because I am keeping this one. Oh, maybe it is the same mascara. Oh, I don't know. Oh, this one has fibers. I can see it. Fibers always get in my eyes. I'll try this one out and let you guys know. I reviewed the other, I don't remember exactly what it's called, the other La Beauté mascara in my Beauty Battle Breakdown of Korean mascaras, and it was actually one of my favorite mascaras, so I'm excited to try a different version. A16. Oh, okay, this is from Agatha. This is La Vie en Rose, the Premier lipstick. Is that the shade? Oh, sorry, the shade's La Vie en Rose. I actually have a couple of these. They have like a keychain thing that you attach it into, but you could also just carry it around like this. It's still kind of cute. What color is this? Uh-oh, see, that's where you, that's the other end. That's how you connect into the keychain. I have the keychain on my keys, actually. That looks like a color I would love. It smells like roses, too. The last drawer. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. Okay, so let's look at day 17. Ah, that's good timing. This is, I believe, let's see before I speak. Yeah, okay. This is the keychain I was just referring to for the other lipstick. Now, if I can only find it, because I just threw it on the ground. Is this it? Okay, yeah. I'll demonstrate for you guys really quickly. So here's the lipstick from day 16, and then here's that keychain, and so that end that came off earlier, you just detach it like that, and then stick this in there, and it locks in. Ooh, I think I just squished my lipstick. Don't twist it in there like I just did. Just snap it in there. There, like that. And then I smash the end a little bit. And then this just magnetizes. I like this color better actually than the one I have on my keychain. I have the teal one. So that one's pretty. Oh dang, these just fell off. That has the A on it, fell off this bit. I think that actually happened to my other one. Day 18, okay, this is the Skin and Lab Red Serum. I've heard about this. I can't tell you what it does. I wanna say it helps with pigment, like discoloration on your skin, like hyperpigmentation. It matches my Christmas theme. Day 19. This is from Tony Moly. This is the Magic Food Banana Hand Milk. I have so many hand creams from different collections. Like from this collection, I still have a couple of those hand creams. I have a couple hand creams that I got from that mystery unboxing. So I don't think I'll open this. I might give this away to a friend because it is so cute. But yeah, it's basically just a banana scented hand cream. What's this? I've tried this before too. This is from Rear. This is the Style Blackhead Brush Cleanser. Yeah, I'll probably give that away too because I've used that one before. Day 21. Ow, itch on my foot. It's a brush. Looks like a foundation brush. It looks like I'm not gonna say what it looks like. I think it's supposed to look like a little paw. Mung Moon's paw brush. I don't know, I'm kind of interested to try it, but also I'm like, it doesn't match the rest of my brushes, but I have so many brushes, it's kind of insane. Day 22. The Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. I have this one, I think. Yes Style sent me a Klairs box that they specially put together, and they sent me it, and this was in there, so I have one to try already, so I'll probably give this one away as well. Dang, I'm giving away a lot of this thing, but like I said, to be completely honest, I have so many products already. I don't want to waste them. I don't want to just open them for the sake of opening them unless you guys are interested. I'm trying to be like a little bit more sustainable and share the love a little bit. Day 23. This is from a Tude House. This is the Play Color Eyes. I don't have this. I love eyeshadows. This is the Wine Party, and I've been eyeballing this palette for quite some time because I love me some wine, and these colors are beautiful. Like, look at these colors. I always pretty much like at Tude House eyeshadow and makeup products. I think they do a really good job with eyeshadows. And then last but not least, we have day 24. Are they gonna kick it up for day 24? It looks like they are. This is from Pony Effect. This is her customizing lip palette. I'm gonna look at this, but I'm not a lip palette girl. Why is there a hole in the back of this? What's that for? It's like a little window. I don't think I'm like makeuply inclined enough to use this because I would never touch the top ones, but I'm not gonna touch this. Like I said, I'll give this away to someone who will appreciate it more than I will. But Pony Effect is a pretty expensive brand compared to like a lot of other Korean beauty companies, so just putting that out there. I don't think there's anything in this box, no. So that was the Yes Style Advent Calendar for the holiday season 2018. Like I said, when I was looking up more information on this box, I saw that they did do this last year, so I'm sure they will do this again next year because these were selling like hotcakes. And yeah, I will link everything down below though, just if you want to pick up any of them individually. This is definitely worth more than $129. Like, I don't even know how they're making a profit, if they're making a profit on this, because this box too is, like I said, a substantial box, and it's heavy when it's all filled up. So shipping, hello, logistics. Let me know in the comment section down below if there are any products in particular you guys want to see me do a video on, or if there are products coming out that you want me to do a video on. And let me know about that organization video. I kind of want to start doing some of those because I could definitely use some organization. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! I can just see the comments now. People are gonna be like, is she drunk? Did she have too much coffee? Just my personality type, you guys. I'm a fast talker. I actually slow down my speaking speed in my videos, but in real life, I speak very fast.